Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about the IMO Mathematics Olympiad Class 2 Year 2021 Set A. Let's get started. First in this we have logical reasoning section, and the first question is how many groups of 5 necklaces each can be formed from the given necklaces. So these are the given necklaces and we have to make the groups of 5 necklaces each. So let's distribute it. 5 necklace 1 group, 5 necklaces 2 group, like this 3 group and the 4 group. So we can make 4 group out of these total necklaces. Second question, find the missing number if certain rule is followed either row wise or column wise. Okay, so this is the given table and we have to find the pattern. So this is the question mark. We are going to solve this. So let us find how this 5 comes. So if we see carefully, so 22 minus 17 is equal to 5, and similarly 26 minus 15 is equal to 11. It means 30 minus 20 is equal to, so we can write here. Okay, so it is 10. Third question, which of the following is exactly same as the given figure? Okay, and this is the given figure we have. So exactly same is option A. Next question 4, toy horses blank is fourth from the right hand in the given arrangement. Okay, so this is the given arrangement we have and this is left hand, so this is the right hand. So fourth from the right hand, 1 2 3 and 4 means S, so option B. Question 5, select a figure from the options in which the given figure is exactly embedded as one of its parts. So this is the given structure, given part, and if we see, so in option C it is exactly embedded like this. Okay, this and this. All right. Next question 6, in how many different ways the dog can reach the dog houses? So this is the dog and this is dog houses. So if we see the different ways, one way is like this, simple. Second, two ways. Third ways it can be go like this, and fourth way it can also go like this way and this way, and fifth it can also follow for example this way, then this way, and then this way. Okay, so it can go by 5 different ways. Next we have question 7, there are blank triangles and blank squares in the given figure. So okay, let's count the number of triangles. So first, like 1 triangle, 2 3 4 5 and this 6 triangles. Okay, here 7 8 triangles, then 9 10 11 and one this large triangle. So means total 12 triangles are there. So 12 is only given in one. Next, count the squares. So we have 1 2 3 4 and this the large squares, so 5. So option A is correct. Next question 8, the train P is blank m meter shorter than the train Q. So train Q length is given 13 and train P it is 9. So 13 minus 9 is 4. So train P is 4 meter shorter. Option B. Find the missing figure to complete the given figure pattern. So just see the pattern first. It is cherry, strawberry, apple and mango. Cherry, strawberry, apple and mango. So again it will start from the cherry. Option A. If this structure hexagonal is related to 12 in some way, okay, then in the same way pentagon is related to. So hexagon it has 6 sides. Okay, so hexagon has 6 sides and it is related to 12 means 6 into 2. So the same way pentagon has 5 sides, so it is related to 5 into 2, that is 10. Okay, so like 6 into 2 is 12. Similarly 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Next, we have mathematical reasoning section. So in this question 11, which of the following represents the smallest value? Okay, so these are the given some subtraction and addition values. So just calculate it. So first it will be 130. Second it will be, we should add this like this. So it will be 6, 2 and 1, 126. And this value will be like 9 and 11, 119, and it will be like 41. So it is 6 and 7. Okay, so smallest one is option D, right? Next question 12, how many of the given numbers are even? So even numbers are given here 1, then 2, 3 and 4. So option A. Question 13, which of the following is the lightest? So this is the given scale. So we have to find out the lightest. So this pumpkin and watermelon, these are equal in weight. And next, watermelon is heavier as compared to cauliflower. And here pumpkin is heavier as compared to cauliflower. It means the lightest is the cauliflower. Question 14, how many letters are there in the given words which are made of curved lines? So curved line 1, 2, 3, 4. So option C is correct. Question 15, which of the following thermometers shows the given temperature in Celsius? Or given temperature is 90. So just find the value 90, like in option A, this is correct. In B, it is 80. In C, it is slightly higher than 90. In option D, it is slightly lower than the 90 and higher than 80. Question 16. Study the given pictograph which shows the number of stones collected by 4 friends and answer the following questions. Okay. So these are given 4 friends and these are the number of stones collected by them, and each this structure is equal to 2 stones. So question 16, blank collected the most number of stones. Okay. So the most numbers means higher collection is, we can see here 336 by Komal. So option C. Question number 17. Question 17 is, how many more stones were collected by Disha than Shreya? So we have to compare Disha and Shreya. So Shreya collected 3 to 5 structure. Okay, these are 5 and these are 4. So how many more? It is 1 more and 1 is equal to 2. So means option D. 18 question, which of the following subtraction sentence represents the given picture? So this is the given picture. So we have first find out the total number of oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So first value is 13. Second value is minus the cross one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 13 minus 6. This is the correct. So this is correct. Question 19. Which of the following options show the short form of the given expanded form? So it is 700 plus 90 plus 8. It means it is 798. 798. Question 20. The time shown on the given clock is, so this is the time shown in the clock, 5:30, and we can also say it like this, 5:30. Okay. Next, everyday mathematics. Question 21. Karthik had 68 eggs. Some of the eggs broken and 35 were left with him. How many broke? Okay, so in this we have total number of eggs given 68 and some of the broken and 35 left. So broken were, if we minus this 35, so it is 3 and 3, 33, option D. Question 22. Ruchi planted some plants in her garden. The number of plants planted by her is more than 340 and has 6 at the 10th place. Okay. Which of the following cannot be the number of plants planted by her? So first it is more than 360, 340 and 6 at the 10th place. So it can be. Next 568. So it also can be the option. 865, 64 is also correct. But 269, because it is less than 340, it is wrong. Saurav bought the juice packs shown here. Find the total quantity of juice he bought. Okay, so these are the three given boxes of juice. Find the total one. So 250 and 250, 500, and this is 950. So add this value like this. So we will get 5. 1 second. So we will get it is 0, 5 and 14. So option D. 24 question. Parisha bought 715 bread packets, out of which she distributed 520 packets among poor children. How many bread packets are left with her? So this is a question of subtraction. The given value is 715 and then subtract distributed breads were 520. So remaining are 5, 9 and 1. 195, option B. Question 25. Kiara bought a handbag and a hat. Okay, how much total did she pay? So total value should be 750 plus 118 rupees. So it is 8, 6 and 8. So 868, option B. Question 26. Tanmay has 450 cards and once has 80 cards less than Tanmay. How many playing cards do they both have together? Okay. So first Tanmay has 450 cards, but once has 80 cards less, means we should subtract the 80. So 0, 7 and 3. So total cards, so this is the cards of ones, then add the value of cards of Tanmay. Then find the total value. So 820, option B is correct. Question 27. Divya started shopping at 5:15 p.m. She completed her shopping at 8:30 p.m. How much time did she take for shopping? Okay. So in this we can simply subtract the given time like this. These are the hours and these are the minutes. So subtract hours from the hours and minutes from the minutes. So we will get 3 hour 15 minutes. Option C. 28. Megha has 25 roses and she has 13 more jasmine flowers than roses. So how many flowers does Megha have altogether? So first roses 25 but jasmine rose are 13 more. So find the value of jasmine flowers first. It is 8 and 3. So these are the jasmine flowers and add the value of roses flowers so that we can find the total number of flowers. It is 63. Okay. Option A is correct. Next we have question 29. Anjali has rupees 500 sorry. If she purchases the following items, then how much money is left with her? Okay. So she purchased the items of value 275. 240 plus 30, it is 275. And she has 500 rupees. So rupees left with her 275 minus. So it is 5 and 2 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So 225, option B. Question 30. Priya had some stickers. There are blank triangles in the stickers altogether. Okay. So number of triangles, we have to find the number of triangles. So just calculate 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles, 5, 6, 7. So it is the 7 and 1 is this large triangle. So total number of triangles are 8. Option B is the correct. Next we have achiever sections. So 31 question. Which of the following options is correct regarding the number shown on the abacus? So number shown here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 2 and 3. So statement first is the sum of place values of all the digits is 10. No, this is the sum of 5 plus 2 plus 3. It is 10 of the face value, not the place value. So it is wrong statement. B option, the number name for the given number is 524. No, it is 23. Option C, the number shown on the abacus is 532. It is again wrong. It is 523. Option D, the digit at 100 place. This is 100 place. 5 number is 2 more than the digit at one place, and digit at one place is 3. So yes, 5 is 2 more than the 3. So option D is correct. 32 question. It takes 8 glasses of water to fill up the jug. So this is the jug and we need 8 glasses of this given water to fill it. It takes 2 glasses of water to fill up the kettle. Okay, so this is the kettle. It requires 2 glasses to fill up. How many kettles of water are needed to fill up the jug? Okay, so we have to find out like how many kettles are required to fill this jug. So 2 glasses equal to kettles. So right here 1 kettle, then 2 kettles, 3 kettles and 4. So we require 4 kettles. Option C. Next question is 33. Fill in the blanks and select the correct option. So the greatest 3-digit number found by using the digits 4, 3 and 8. So it will be 8, 4 and 3. So in the given option 843 is in the option D. But let's verify other statement also. 1 less than the smallest 2-digit number is. So smallest 1 less than the smallest 2-digit number is. So it is 10 minus 1, 9. So this is correct. 45 tens, that is 45 tens plus 58 ones. So it is equal to 508. So it is also correct. Next question 34. If jacket plus wallet is equal to 380 and 2 jackets is equal to 500, then 1 wallet and 1 watch value is equal to 220, then find the value of 1 watch plus 1 jacket. Okay, so first let's start from here. Like a value of 2 jackets is given 500. It means for each jacket it should be 250. So write this value 250 here. So we will get the value of wallet. So value for wallet is equal to 380 minus 250. So we get 3 and 130. So for wallet it is 130. And if we write this value here, so we will find the value of watch. So for watch it is equal to 220 minus 130. So it is 90 rupees. Okay. So now we have to find the value of 2 watch and 1 jackets. So it is equal to 90 plus 90. Okay. Plus for 1 jacket it is 250. So simply find this value. So 90 and 90, 180 plus 250 and answer is 0. 8 plus 5, 13 and 2, 1, 3 and 1, 4. So 430, option B. 35 question. Arrange the given items in the ascending order according to their weights. So ascending order means start from the lightest one. The lighter, then heavier, and the heaviest. So if we see carefully in first, this fruit basket is heavier, and then in the second arrangement this is the toy car which is heavier. It means the third one is the racket and cork. So racket is heavier, so it comes at lightest one. So in which option? C and D, it is given lightest. Then second is racket, that is this one, and third we have this order, so toy car. Fourth one is the fruit basket. So option D is correct. It was all about today's set IMO for class 2 previous year question 2021, and we have discussed in detail. So thank you so much for watching my channel, and please like, share and subscribe the channel for more updates. All the very best for your coming exam. Thank you.